In today's video, I'm going to teach you the best Recluse build in Elden Ring Nightreign. So let's get started, and we're going to start with her relics. And the relics that I chose for her are from Small Jar Bazaar and the Collector Signboard. So I have Recluse's Urn, right? I mean Recluse's Goblet right here. So I have slowly restore HP for, more health. This more health and more defense because it's really hard to dodge as Recluse. I also have this one Starlight Shard starts expedition, so you will have 6 Starlight Shard and suffer blood loss and increase attack power upon art activation. Mind 2, intelligence 2. This is pretty good for her because that will boost your overall stats while being really, you have more vigor, more health. Look at this, I have more health right here, and I have more FP, so that's pretty good. So this is important for Recluse because you'll be using incantation and staves a lot on her, and you have increased damage, so you have increased intelligence. That means you can get more damage using your staves and stuff like that. So that's pretty good. I like using her like that. So you get more, FP. So you can just spam without worrying about losing a lot of, FP and having to micromanage it and get your FP back. But this one's like suffer blood loss, but it does increase your output here. But you are going to heal, so you don't have to worry about much. See here, I'm healing, getting my FP back, but I have increased power attack, so that's pretty good for her. So that's what I like about Recluse. And use staves on her, use incantation. She has S in intelligence and S in fate, so you can guarantee on using a lot of those. And if you're lucky, get a rate calling bell. Rate calling bell are FP efficient because you consume little FP and dish out a lot of damage using the rate calling bell. I don't know why they made it that way, but it's pretty good. So I see here I have one rate calling bell, and we're going to test it out right here. So as you see here, 153, 306. My FP consumption is very, very little. And I can dish out a lot of damage, 10,000, 2,000. So this is me just spamming it. I see here I also stance break. So that's pretty good. That's my recommended weapon for her because of her low FP consumption. And she can get, FP back by using Starlight Shards we have in our relic. So yeah guys, that's how you can build like the best Recluse build in Elden Ring Nightreign. Very, very less RNG, so you can guarantee on having these items and receiving them. If you guys like this video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and turn on notification. And as always, I will see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.